I heard you're working on a memoir about your time at the show.
I do. I have a memoir.
Oh, that's great.
I cannot believe it. I actually finally did it.
Okay. What's it called? Can you hold it up there so we can see it? So it's my nervous diarrhea. And so tell us a little bit. What's in there?
When you're at SNL, especially every time you have a summer break, everyone goes, "I'm writing my book this summer," and it's like, "No, you're not." And or I'm writing a movie, or I'm writing something. Yeah. And I have wanted to do this for so many years, and I can't believe that I finally can hold it, and it's real, and like my mother
can I take a look at it?
I'll just show it.
Well, why?
It's called Live from New York. It's my nervous diarrhea.
What are some of the? What are some of the? What are some of the? Paula, what is in here? Pills? What's this?
This is weed from the 80s. Because I can't smoke weed now because it makes me have anxiety. It's too strong.
Okay.
So, and this is the key to my dildo rack. These are pills for when you get, as my grandfather used to call it, the green apple two-step. Or the squirts. You all have it. And then this is a vibrator.
Is this a charger for it?
Yeah. And this is the charger for my vibrator.
Okay.
But I'm going to tell you something. Since you uncovered my lie, I did not write a book yet.
So you have
I want to tell you one thing about this. It's very sentimental. It's been cleaned a million times. Don't worry. But it is so sentimental because I lost it for a while. It was my favorite one, and ladies, and I found it. I mean, I am just so grateful to, on 57th, there's an urgent care, and I finally found it.
Wow, it's amazing. You have
my beehole.
You have an entire. Wait, that's where they found it?
In my beehole, but I didn't put it in my beehole. I have a lot of little shortcuts in there. I have a weird thing. You'll have to see the X-rays. Hi, Mom.
Well, I will admit I don't know a lot about birds, so we found a ornithologist.
Yeah.
And we're gonna bring her out now to join us. Here she comes. Oh, I think she wants you to move.
I'm so sorry.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you so much for making the time for us.
Oh, Seth, I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you so much.
Not a fan of the kickstand, but I think you're a handsome man.
I got it.
I understand.
And have you guys ever?
No?
Nope.
So, all right.
But apparently she's an ornithologist now.
Well,
so
I
guess she's my peer.
So I think the way this will work is Maya, I'll show you one of the birds.
Okay.
Let me know. And then,
I hope I don't embarrass myself in front of you. I'm sure you know a lot more about birds.
Apologies for I really did not give you a chance to introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Trisha Bumrock.
Okay. Great to meet you, Trisha. All right, ready to go, Maya?
Yes.
All right, first up.
Oh, I've actually never seen a bird like that before. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't know.
You've never seen a bird like that. You've never ever seen it on your Instagram. None of it.
Wait,
Nope.
You know what? Why not?
I'm gonna guess it's a gruffalo.
Okay.
Oh, what a dumb bitch. Okay. This is a tufted puffin. There's different kinds of puffins.
Okay, so a
Tufted
tufted puffin. So Gruffalo
Yeah.
was, there was some of the similar.
I feel like I must have known that because of the uff.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're cool. They nest in the cliffs.
Wow.
Wow.
It's really, really cool, and they're really good hunters. They put about 20 fish. It's funny to watch them. They put about 20 fish.
Yes, I remember this. I'm so sorry.
They put 20 fish in their mouth at the same time and carry it around.
It's cool to watch two ornithologists talk at the same time.
Yeah, it's like they're full of it, like some people.
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. These are, I think I studied California birds. I don't know what that is. Is he?
Birds in California?
Is it laying on a handball? What is that? I don't know. A raven?
A raven.
I don't think it's a raven.
Trish, based on the face, I'm going to say it's not a raven.
It's a frigate bird.
What did you say?
A frigate bird. You should frigate know that.
I guess I
These
should.
Hollywood types, they learn something in 2 seconds and they're, oh, I'm an ornithologist.
I mean, I'm definitely not an ornithologist. You are definitely the ornithologist here.
Right.
But I should forget about it, right? Wow, I got a
Next.
groan from the audience.
Well, no, this one. Here, come on, Maya. We're going to get you back on track.
Okay. This, I know. Thank you. This is a cardinal. I know.
Wrong. All right, that one you got. However, how did they get their color? Why are they red?
From
You're almost putting your finger in her mouth,
Inside?
Trish.
Why are they red? I'm waiting.
Is it from eating red things?
Yes, it's from eating red things. Berries.
Oh, yeah, great.
Well, Trish, I feel like, we should have some space to allow, being positive when Maya gets one right.
Okay.
You're very kind. You're very nice.
He is. He's really nice. Okay.
What do we got here, Maya?
You know what? I don't know. Is that the?
You should know it's called a cock of the rock. Cock of the 30 rock is strutting around. Oh, I did a show about it and I learned about her. Excuse me.
That one looks like it has an afro.
That's a bufflehead. Now that's a bufflehead.
That's what I was gonna say, Seth.
Okay.
I was gonna say that's a bufflehead. Why
Okay.
do they call it a bufflehead?
Because it's got a bufflehead. It's the smallest duck in North America.
That's a duck?
Have you ever been to a body of water ever and seen wildlife?
Nope.
Or do you live on a velvet pillow?
It's weird because I actually do live on a velvet pillow. Is that weird?
If she ever invites you over, say yes. All right, last one here. I know
thank
you're going to
God.
get this, Maya.
Okay. I really want to know this. I want to know this. I feel pressure and I'm nervous around you.
Do you want a hint?
Yes. Bra. Breast.
What color?
White.
Right?
White-breasted bush. White-breasted vagina bush. White-breasted cooch. White-breasted cooch.
Nuthatch!
Nuthatch?
Wait.
Are you calling this a
That's a
nuthatch?
I was grabbing my nuts and then I pointed at my hatch.
I don't think, you know what? Don't take this the wrong way. I don't think you're an ornithologist.
Wait, are you?
You want me to flip a table? I'll flip your desk.
All right, fine. This has just been.
Those are people.
she's
I
like,
Oh,
know.
look, a
she's like-
dodo bird.
Oh, boy.
Wait a minute. Why are you high-fiving?
That one was good. That was
pretty
good. I didn't see that one
pretty
coming.
good.
Hey, you
I'm
guys.
attracted to you, okay?
Oh, well, why
That's
didn't you
how I act around
why
ladies
didn't
I'm
you just say
attracted to.
so? Give us a kiss. Come on.
Maya Rudolph. Paula Bell, everyone. Hi.
How are you?
I mean, I'm great. How are you?
I'm so glad to be here.
Are you?
What's up?
It's so great to have you here.
I mean, I've been busy. I got a lot of projects.
Yeah. I'd love to talk.
Hold
Are
on
you?
1
Is
second.
there? So, I haven't seen you for a bit. Are you?
Yeah, it's been almost a year.
Are you
I'm expecting good things this year, 26.
So maybe
God,
I'll,
these lights are hot. Go ahead. Go ahead.
so maybe I'll just. Are you, Paula? Are you pregnant?
Wow. Wow. Seth Meyers. Seth Hayes Myers. Good Christ. You do not ask a woman, especially a short plus-size woman, if she's pregnant.
Okay.
You don't ask her if she's had work done. You don't ask her if her wife is her daughter, which happens to me all the time. You don't even ask her, like, did you finish? Like, lasagna. You don't ask her if she's finished with her orgasm.
Okay.
Because you want to pay attention to the road when you're driving. I'm just surprised. I don't know who raised you, but I'm surprised. Yes, I am pregnant. I am pregnant.
Okay. And was this? Were you planning on this? Was this?
I was not planning on it, and my wife shoots blanks, so I don't know. was very shocked to see it slowly happening, and I was eating more, emotional eating, I will admit. I lost a little weight this year, and I started gaining back, and I'm like, what the hell? I'm on the shots. But I was not totally surprised because I've always had this one, I had one egg left, and it was very hearty, and it kind of is always rattled around. I could hear it in there like a penny in the dryer. Sure. And so I wasn't completely shocked by it. And I do have, like, I've gone back, I've been in therapy about it, trying to think back, when did this happen?
Yeah, right.
And I think I figured it out last spring. Last spring, I was on the subway, and it stopped fast, and I fell backwards on a guy.
Okay.
And I was not wearing underwear, as I don't. Yeah. And I was wearing a sundress, but I'm plus size, and it rode up like a shirt, so I was, bush league. And I fell back, and I was sitting there bouncing until my next stop. And it was funny because he was he was hard to miss. He was a big, tall Swedish guy. He had like a lot of, I saw his name tag, he had like a lot of A's in his name. And he had a A in the back of his pants, let me tell you.
Is it? I'm sorry to interrupt. Is there any chance this is Alexander Skarsgård?
Could be. Is that a guy that you know?
That was our first guest. A lot of A's in his name. A tall, handsome Swedish guy.
No. Does he work a lot? Does he make good bank?
Does he make good bank? Yeah, no, he's a very successful actor, I think, probably.
Really? And attractive. I mean, he was attractive.
Yeah. No,
I'm 3% straight, so.
Yeah, I would say he's a very attractive.
He bumped me up to 4% because he was cute.
Yeah.
He was cute.
But he's here, and.
Tonight?
Yeah. And, do you think if it's likely him, like, would you want to meet him? And you know what? Paula.
I do think that I probably would.
Well, you know what? I think he would want to meet you. So it seems like he maybe drove off.
I'm feeling weird.
Oh, boy. How long ago did you say it was?
About 9 months and 10 days.
Oh, my God. Do we think, Paula, do you feel like this
might be it, guys.
Oh, boy.
You guys chat. Hold on.
No. Oh, Paula, can I help at all? Is there anything? Oh, God, Paula. Do you have a doctor? Paula? Oh, my God. Paula, I don't know if I'm supposed to see this as your friend. Oh, God.
Look away!
Okay. Oh, my God, Paula, you're right. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, I don't hear. I feel like we should hear crying. What?
It was a vegan ham.
What? Now.
I shoplifted this at Christmas. I completely forgot about it. I can't believe it stayed in there because I'm 62. I can't even sit on a bar stool. You know what I mean, ladies.
Wow, so we really got to the bottom of that
Wow.
mystery.
And
Congratulations.
scene.